ka ya ga chief a na-ekwu ndị Igbo
okay
ndị Igbo mana anyị ma na enwere ndị na-abụghị ndị Igbo so mgbe a nụrụ dịka ikwu ndị Kalaba ndị Ogun ndị niile ndị ọzọ
this minority gasị
kedu ọnọdụ ha na ndị Igbo mgbe ahụ maka kịta anaghị ekwukwu okwu Biafra ụfọdụ asị na ha so ụfọdụ asị na ha eso enwere mmegbu si n'aka ndị Igbo nye ndị ahụ mgbe ahụ?
It's a very good question because onwe even mellow most people are marrow. The first premier of Eastern region, Imavia, the first premier of Eastern region, Onye Kalaba, Professor Ayoita. Most people are marrow. We can do see Amiva. Ndi Igbo na-achọ the best. Ogebo Amarodun Keta. Ogebo. Fa na-achọ the best. Fa chọrọ dị mma. Onye ebe isi. Eje ma ọ na gọọmenti college Afikpo. Government secondary school Afikpo. Nobody is interested in your hometown. And I do a big Ibi. That was a problem. Where do you live? Ndi Port Harcourt, Ndi Aba, Ndi Enugu. You know, I'm a woman Enugu, so Aba Square na Enugu. Ndi Kalaba ejebe, Ndi Aba ejebe, Ndi Port Harcourt ejebe, Ndi Lagos ejebe. You know, what am I trying to say? Now, which is very important. Ndi Igbo picked a Professor Ayoita. They thought he was the best. Enyi Ochichi as the premier of Eastern region. Oh, Zeke. Unuf Jordan man, I'm sure no. Oh, come more because the man was wicked. Omaro Chuku. Open Chuku, he would have fixed this country. Chineke nyeli intelligence or wisdom. Well, or more wisdom and intelligence. Anyway, Zeke caused this problem. Zeke, after he's rigged my role in Ibadan, Obienu Chupo, Ayoita. That was the beginning of the problem I went with our minorities. And nobody has addressed it. Nobody. This is what I get there. Your fire, your kafaba line. This was even though also Zeke Melia, but Zeke won't you. Okay, when I try, I am Obonyesi. The best mechanic, the best architect, the best doctor, the best pilot, the best. Even you're going to want to actually, if they are people, okay, I think I'm with scholarship, the best 5 students. In my class, 2 of them see River State. 2. Chukujak. For driver, we're looking for excellence and not even Malundibo. Excellence. Ndibo when time for quota system. I thought the best. The best quota system is diversionary. If you want, in a Olympic Games, in a Olympic Games, in a quota system. Yeah, Chanata the best. Okay, must pick the best, otherwise you won't get 1 medal. If you earn it, you get it. If you don't earn it, you don't get it. Open actually the best 10. Open at the 10, she knew any. Open and the new buy and with the Madnaba. Good luck to them. Actually, you go and prepare. We didn't plan to look down on our minorities. But the point was, Zeke, who was our champion, had his own ideas about leadership. And what we ought to do now is, yonder, Guakwavada, or Zeke, Costlin, so well. It was when we went for Zeke in London. I went to beat him up. Get your father to Tiela and Ansobua. Amaro Chineke. Because Zeke was a cultist, Governor Mukulu. Ono Boni, ono Freemason, ono Lodge, ono Rosicrucian, funny in Joyce. And all those things are opposed to God, godliness. Either you worship God or you worship Mammon. That is Oboni and the rest of them. So he led us astray.